Undetected by radar. This question almost always comes up whenever the F-35 Lightning II appears in the sky. Is this jet truly invisible to radar, or is it simply an expensive myth that sounds convincing? The F-35 Lightning II is a fifth-generation fighter designed not only to fight, but to avoid detection. However, one thing must be clarified from the start. The F-35 is not truly invisible. It is a jet that is extremely difficult to detect. Its main secret lies in stealth technology. The aircraft's shape is carefully designed with specific angles and surfaces that deflect radar waves away, rather than reflecting them back to